Hey, it's Stone Gold, guys. This is Ira Walker. Got another song for y'all this week. This one's called O Abiakafi's Jesus Likan. It's saying that we'll go to be where Jesus lives, where he's at, and that is saying that we'll go to that heavenly city, and it encourages us just to continue on. It's an encouragement song. If you're down, struggling, whatever it may be, you just keep moving on. Look to the Lord, look to Jesus. Jesus says that he'll give us rest. He says that my burden is easy and my yoke is light. He says, "Come unto me, all that are heavy laden, and I'll give you rest." And so that's where we look to, is Jesus. And one of these days that we'll be able to see him face to face, and be able to be with him like that in that heavenly place. Is Jesus Likan is my talofame Skan momes komin mas o abiakadis Jesus God is my talofame, omit ginagage toyatskan momes komin mas o abiakadis Jesus Likan abiakadis my talofame omabadage toyatskan momes komin mas o